In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Tag Manager efficiently and effectively. Whether you're tweaking your digital marketing strategy, performing routine maintenance, or simply need to pause your tags temporarily, this guide will walk you through the steps. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Google Tag Manager account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with your workspace environment. Here, you'll need to select the appropriate container that contains the tags you want to manage. This step is crucial because each container holds a specific set of tags that are applied to your site or application, so make sure you have the right one. When you have selected the container, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Tags. This section is where all the tags associated with your selected container are listed. It's like the control panel for all the tracking codes and snippets you're using. Now the next step is to select each tag you wish to pause. You might be wondering why you need to pause tags instead of deleting them. Pausing allows for flexibility as you can easily re-enable them when needed without having to recreate them from scratch. Once you've selected a tag, you'll want to delve into its settings. In this section, locate the part labeled Triggers. Triggers are what dictate when a tag should fire. To effectively pause the tag, you'll need to set its trigger to None. Alternatively, you could delete the existing trigger, which also stops the tag from firing. This step ensures the tag won't activate based on any conditions. With your changes made, the next step is to save and publish. This is an essential part of the process. Saving your changes alone won't stop the tags from firing, so be sure to hit that publish button. This action updates your container with the new configuration and ensures that your changes are live. Remember, publishing is like flipping the switch. It's what makes the new setup official and operational. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to turning off Google Tag Manager tags. Whether you're doing a test run, cleaning up your tags, or pausing them for a strategy overhaul, these steps will help you navigate the process with ease. Be sure to re-enable your tags when you're ready to use them again, following the same steps and adjusting the triggers back to their original state. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your digital tools. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.